Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to upgrade Jeep Wrangler speakers. Start by disconnecting the battery and removing panels so you can access each speaker safely. Inspect speaker mounts and wire connectors before buying replacements and measure speaker diameters for accurate fit. Consider speaker depth and grill clearance to avoid rubbing. Label wiring or take photos to preserve correct polarity. Keep screws and clips organized to simplify reassembly later in the process. Choose speakers that match your listening goals and the Jeep's power capabilities, aiming for balanced mid-range and clear highs. Check RMS ratings to avoid overpowering small speakers and confirm impedance matches your amp or head unit. Measure mounting depth to prevent contact with window mechanisms or dust covers. Decide between coaxial convenience or component separation for improved imaging, and plan any additional amplification or sound deadening. Begin installation by routing speaker wires from the head unit area to each speaker location, keeping wires clear of hinges and pinch points. Temporarily connect each speaker and play test tones to confirm polarity and fit before tightening screws. Use supplied adapters or fabricate baffles for secure mounting. Add sound deadening to the door panels and inner skin for better bass and reduced rattles. Reinstall panels carefully and reconnect the battery when everything checks out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.